After spending the whole morning exploring more of Hue city, as you can see in the previous video, I continue on my way south towards Danang and decide to make a detour into the mountains. So the situation is there is waterfall, a few actually this way, but if I go there I don't even know if there is a place to stay, and according to the map there is only one place with no ratings. The problem is it's 3:54 now, so I don't know if to risk it and go there or just skip it and continue into the mountains this way to Detour and go to a different place, or continue a little bit. I think that's what I'll do. I'll go get to this Nyangi and see what it's like. If it's good, I'll stay there and continue tomorrow in the morning. Muy ba kilo. Orai? Ko Nyangi. Sinkaman. So this guy was saying that in 13 kilometers there are 1 or 2 Nyangi, and I hope he's right, because if not, I have to turn around and do the whole way back, which is about 20 kilometers back, and then try and find something. Hope it doesn't get dark before that. There's nothing here. Seems like I'm going up the mountains. There is nothing here. I started a bit late today, and well, I really want to see this waterfall, or any waterfall, or any nature to that matter. Not drive directly to Danang from Hue and just see city after city. So yeah, I'm here in the middle of nowhere, 4:30 in the afternoon already. Getting cold up in the mountains, and I really hope I don't get stuck here. I have to go all the way back. Okay, so there is a small town here, and let's see what I can find. Is he dead? No, not dead, just lying, resting. Yeah, that's the room for 200,000. I guess can be too picky in the mountains here, especially since I need a hard mattress for my back otherwise, because I can't compromise on that. At least the toilet looks nice. Okay, that'll be my palace for tonight. So I actually like those small town overnight stays in the middle of nowhere, and go out at night and walk around, drive around, find something to eat. That's the real experience. Not the big, well, the big cities also, but the small towns, they have a special feeling to them. So now I'll find a place to eat, and yes, and just after that, just walk around and enjoy it. Yeah, maybe this place. Looks okay. So yeah, taking more buncha.
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 Dạ.
Tôi ăn ở đây, ok? Ăn ở đây.
Ở Huế là cái bún nướng, ở Hà Nội là cái bún chả. Ở Huế là cái bún nướng, bún thịt nướng và bún thịt nướng.
Tôi đến từ Hà Nội và Hà Nội.
Hà Nội là cái bún chả.
Hà Nội bún cháo nhưng một chút khác, không cái này.
Đúng rồi.
So I got the bún chả, except that they don't put soup in it. So it's bún chả without soup, unless it's Danaang Central style, Hue Danang Central style, and like Hanoi. This, but that's spicy. Yeah. Let's try it. So morning, and can't go anywhere. It's already 8:30, but it's raining. And I'm going to get some breakfast just to be ready when it stops raining, which doesn't look like anything. And it looks like I'll be stuck here for a long time. Anyways, I'm getting a banh mi here. Put some on the fire here. Problem is she puts a lot of oil. And that's not good. If anything happens, I just throw it away. Only 13,000. So just off the main road of the village, and that's it. Raining. I read online that the central mountains of Vietnam, this area, are one of the the wettest place in Vietnam. Maybe I should have considered that when I came here, especially this season. I think I have no choice and just get out, cover everything, and leave. What else am I gonna do here? Stay? Also possible, but do what? Yeah, also I made the mistake to hang up my clothes to dry. Yeah, there's no way they're gonna dry, even though they're dry fit. What am I gonna do with them? They're supposed to be dry overnight, but not in this weather, definitely not. So 10 o'clock in the morning, still drizzling, but what can I do? I try to protect myself best as possible with the raincoat. Cover the big bag, cover the small bag, the camera bag under here, and I can't stay here, I gotta go. So I'll go to the waterfall, I hope I can make it, and maybe I should get off the mountain after that. Okay, maybe it will stop raining down there. Now another problem, the motorbike won't start. Oh, funny. Turn on the camera, the motorbike started starting after 10 minutes of trying to turn it on. Taking to the mechanic just in case. Just so it doesn't down in the middle of nowhere, and then what will I do? They say maybe just the motorbike needed more time to fill the gas in, but everything's gonna be okay. So okay, let's start the day. 10:25 already. Apparently this is the way to Tak Mo. I got off the main road. What I don't like here is they cut down the whole forest. And here, over there, that I really don't like. But what can I do?
Yeah, in the waterfall we have three waterfall.
Yeah?
Yes, and the stickers here we now we discount is 50%. Before it 150, but now just only 750.
It's nice. Where's the waterfall? But somebody made big business of this here. I guess this is their first waterfall. Looks a bit artificial. It doesn't give such a good feeling, especially since everything here looks commercial. It doesn't feel so nice. But let's keep on going. Oh yeah, they got a restaurant also. Yeah, here, probably the next waterfall. It's nice, but then they put all this for the whole family adventure kind of. Don't know if I like what they did here. The nature is nice though. Ooh. I have to be really careful here with those shoes because it's really slippery. And one of the shoes doesn't even have a sole on it. And this is the way to the last waterfall. Looks like the most impressive one. And I'm greeted with this kitschy 80s music. Not that I don't like it. All the way up there. And even more from the top. Climb a little bit higher. Nothing here, maybe that's the height I can go over here, but you gotta be careful not to slip. That's the top of the waterfall. Maybe I should lift the drone up here because it's open area and look from above for a little bit. Okay, I'm leaving. Actually a pretty nice place, especially when I have it all for myself. In the summertime when it's full of people, it can be fun to be inside the water, but the trade-off is that you have to share it with so many other people. And I enjoyed it. It's pretty nice. Okay, now I just have to decide in which direction to go to after. Let's go.
In the next video, day 11 part 2, because of weather conditions,
Consideration is the rain that doesn't stop.
I leave the mountains and return to the coast on my way to Danaang. I visit another waterfall before crossing Hyvan Pass and finally arriving in Danaang. If you like my videos so far and you want to see some more, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.